What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up button. I am grateful that you are here today. Well, I'm here just to tell you or give you some information about some holiday gifting that I'll be doing for the holidays, for Christmas, Thanksgiving, you name it. I'm going to be creating baskets and different things, but I just want to show you some of the products that I'm going to be selling for the holiday. We have a pink sale coming up. I have a pink sale coming up right after Thanksgiving. So it's going to be great. I'm going to have some amazing deals that's going to happen. But first of all, I wanted to show you this. Okay, so this box here, it's called the 12 Days of Faye. And let me tell you how this goes. Okay, inside, here's the box. I hope you get a clear picture of this box, and my ring light is not showing here, but look at this. So what you have here is you have 12 items to gift someone special in your life, your mother, your sister, your auntie, or somebody. There's a day for each one. You have 1, you have 2, you have day 3, all the way up to day 12. And they are full-size products, and some are sample size, but it's the gift of them being able to try this product. So this is some things that that we're doing for the holiday, and here's some of the items that are in here. It shows on the back of the box. So that, and if you're going to be ordering this, you have to jump on the bandwagon ASAP, because I'm telling you, this stuff is going to sell. I won't have any more. And when I run out, I will let you know it is gone. Okay? So that's the 12 Days of Faye. I have this body gel. It's an apple and almond scented shower gel and an apple almond scented body lotion. That's one set. And the other set that I have is a berry and vanilla body wash and body lotion. And they both smell amazing. So I just wanted to okay, so I limited edition. I just want to make that clear. These are some of the things that I'm going to be gifting. Not gifting, but I'm going to do some nice little gift wraps for these products. I'm going to wrap them up really pretty. Okay, so that's our body washes and our body lotion. The next product I want to show you that a lot of my customers rap and rave. Man, do you want to have nice silky hands? Let me tell you. This is what we call our satin hands set. Okay. This one is a shea scrub. It's a satin smoothie shea scrub. It comes with an emollient hand cream. And let me tell you what's so good about this product, right? When you put the emollient, just a small amount of this emollient on your hands, what you're going to do is you're going to rub it in your hands really good. Then you're going to take this scrub and you're going to put it in your hands. Put it just a little bit in your hands, and you're going to just rub it on the inside and outside of your hands, okay? Then you're going to go in the bathroom. You're going to wash it off. It's going to give you a nice sudsing, and you're going to see it's pulling the dead skin from your hands. That's right. Did I say that? Yes, it's going to pull that dead skin. You're going to see your hands lighten up because it's literally moisturizing your hands. It's a great product. Then once you finish, you wash your hands, dry your hands, then you're going to put this hand cream on there. Your hand's going to smell good. Your hands are going to be soft. So this is another product for the holidays that I'm going to be I don't know how I'm going to do it, but I'm going to figure out something for the holidays, decorate these up. But I just wanted to show you some of the products that, this is another one that I'm going to be selling for the holidays. Look out for my Pink Friday. If you are not a part of my customer list and you want to be on my customer list, please comment below so that I can add you to that list, because I'm going to have some great sales going on for the holidays. So don't forget to comment below if you want to be added to that list. Another holiday product that I want to show you, we have these shimmering eyeshadows. It comes in this tube, really clipped so you can see it. This one is called Graphite. I'm going to pull it out. Look at that. I'm going to put it on the back of my hand so you could really get an idea of what it looks like in the light. Is that giving you a good light? That's how it looks. That's one. That's Graphite if you are a eyeshadow person. And then here's the other one. It is called Amethyst. And I'll put that one right above the other one so you can get an idea of what that one looks like. Again, this is Amethyst. Okay, a nice little shimmering. I'll let you see it. It comes in this tube here, and that's our eyeshadow. And here it is, so you could see both of them in the camera. So if you like glam and you like to be shimmery, this is a beautiful shimmering eyeshadow for the holiday. And we also have, and these are mine, so I've been using them. So I just wanted to show you some of the things that I'm going to be selling for during my pink sale. Here is some highlights. Here's one. You can see that highlight. It's pretty, 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 pretty. This one is Rose Sapphire. And here's the other one. Let's get a good look at that one. And this one is Canary Diamond. Okay, so that's some of the eyeshadow highlighters that I'm going to be selling as well. And look at this red lipstick, you guys. Isn't that like, look at that. It's a shimmering red lipstick. And the company doesn't, excuse my nails. I broke my nail. Don't y'all laugh at me. Don't laugh at my nail. All right. Anyway, look at this. Look at that. Beautiful. It's a red shimmering lipstick. They had another one, but I have sold out of the other one, so I'm not showing that one because I've sold them. And we also have some of these lip glosses. This is a matte. Comes in 2 different shades. This is a matte lip gloss. Not a lip gloss, it's a matte lipstick. Laugh out loud. This is it. The color on this one is cinnamon. And it comes with a lip oil, okay? So if you want the matte look, you can do the matte look, and then you can add a shine to it as well. Oops, dropped it, excuse me. All right, that's one color. And the other one, same thing. And this one is a rose pink. You see it? Comes up here, and it is a matte. So those are just a few of the holiday gifts that I will be selling on my Pink Friday, right all the way up until Christmas. And so if you want to get into this, don't wait till the last minute, because things are going to sell out. They are going to sell out. So have a great one, you guys. Just wanted to show you some of the things that I'm going to sell coming up on Pink Friday. That's after Thanksgiving. If you're not on my list, and you want to know what deals I'm going to be having, comment below, thumbs up. Tammy, I want to be on that list so you can be notified of the sale and the discounts that I'm going to be giving. So thank you, and you guys have an amazing day. And as always, like this video and subscribe. Enjoy, everybody.